Welcome to Arman's high-risk pregnancy chatbot for ANMs. This tool is a valuable on-job assistant which enables continuous learning and support for health workers. ANMs can use this WhatsApp-based service to ask questions about HRP and antenatal care, be it theoretical questions, case scenarios for learning, or to confirm the right course of action at the time of service delivery. Let's try asking the chatbot a simple question. अगर गर्भवती महिला का HB 9 हो तो क्या करना चाहिए? If a pregnant woman has a hemoglobin level of 9, what should be done? The chatbot is trained to provide answers pulled from clinically validated training protocols from a high-risk pregnancy program covering up to 20 topics including anemia, hypertension, diabetes, antepartum hemorrhage, and many more. And we've received an answer. We have consulted with dozens of ANMs across states to make the chatbot answers user-friendly. The answers, as you see, are crisp and actionable, provided in the form of bullet points for ease of reading. The body of the answer is in the local language, with key medical terms and numbers in English for easier comprehension. Any advice to refer a woman to a medical officer or a higher facility is highlighted in bold. Let's try asking a voice-based question next. Anemia क्या होता है? I have asked, what is anemia? The chatbot currently supports text and voice-based questions in Hindi, Telugu, English, as well as a combination of languages. For audio questions, the chatbot responds with both text and audio answers. The audio mode makes the chatbot more accessible to ANMs who may experience challenges with typing or reading long messages in Hindi. We've received an answer. Let's listen to a bit of the audio answer.
अनीमिया एक ऐसी स्थिति है जिसमें शरीर में लाल रक्त कोशिकाओं की संख्या या उनकी ऑक्सीजन ले जाने की क्षमता शरीर की शारीरिक आवश्यकताओं को पूरा करने के लिए पर्याप्त नहीं होती है। गर्भावस्था के दौरान लगभग आधी महिलाओं को अनीमिया हो सकता है। अनीमिया के कारण मां में संक्रमण के प्रति प्रतिरोधक क्षमता कम हो जाती है। थकान, सांस फूलना और प्रसव के समय रक्तस्राव होने पर मृत्यु का खतरा बढ़ जाता है।
At the end of the question, the chatbot asks the ANM if she is satisfied with the chatbot's answer. Let's say no. If the ANM is not satisfied, the question gets escalated to a medical trainer who responds to the question within 24 hours. The human in the loop is a key feature of our chatbot. The chatbot also abstains from answering questions that are not within the scope of our high-risk pregnancy training program. Now let's ask a question that is out of scope. I have asked, आज दिल्ली में weather कैसा है? What's the weather like in Delhi today? As you see, the chatbot has responded with a message informing the ANM that the question will be escalated to a medical trainer because the chatbot cannot answer. Thank you.